Hi, dog lovers. Are you exhausted because your dog with valley fever is keeping you up all night coughing? Are you hesitant to just suppress your dog's cough with pharmaceuticals? You should be. Your dog needs to cough up the phlegm and mucus that valley fever causes in your dog's lungs. Herbs, on the other hand, are natural, safe, and easy. Here are my top 4 herb pairs to settle your dog's cough and break up the mucus in his lungs. Slippery almond marshmallow root. This is a combination that can be found in a readily available compound for upset stomachs in dogs. The product Colon Rescue by Animal Essentials works for coughs too. The next combination is Fritillaria bulb and Pinellia root. These 2 herbs are found in cough syrups. Number 3, platycodone and licorice root. This pair is commonly found in herbal formulas for coughing. And then helichrysum and black spruce essential oil. These essential oils can be used as a diffusion anywhere your dog hangs out. Animal EO is a company that has a lovely essential oil blend called Open Air that contains these herbs. This blend helps relieve cough spasms and is antifungal to boot. As a discerning pet guardian, you have the power to make a difference in your dog's health. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more expert tips to help you help your dog. With this information, you can advocate for your dog and give her the very best chance of recovery from valley fever. In the next video, I'll illuminate the pain your dog experiences with valley fever, and I'll reveal my top 3 natural supplements to curb your dog's horrible pain. Check out my free valley fever guide for a way you can learn more holistic strategies to help your dog with valley fever. Download the free valley fever guide at www.caninevalleyfeverguide.com. And remember, when you know better, do better.